Guys, we are almost less than 90 days away from 2026. So if you are waiting for a new day, a new Monday, or a new month, or even new year, then this video is totally for you. If you are sitting on the couch procrastinating and you have goals to achieve, then hear me out because this one's going to be special. You need to understand one thing. No one is going to do it for you. No one is going to come and rescue you. Discipline comes from inside and it starts with you. You have to start somewhere. So let me give an example. I have read this book called Atomic Habits, and in that there was a very good example given related to how one person can actually use punishment to actually motivate themselves. So this person actually signed a contract with his gym trainer and his wife to fine himself, say $100 or $500 every time he missed a session. So you can imagine how if he had to spend that money, he's already spending money on the gym trainer and the gym membership. So imagine giving more because he didn't choose to go and get up. So that's exactly what that book and the author is trying to say, that sometimes even negative punishments or punishments in general can actually motivate you. So if you are still waiting to feel motivated in some or the other way, try whatever method works for you. But discipline actually comes from the time you start. So consistency, discipline, everything starts from today. Why are you waiting for tomorrow or let's start from Monday? क्योंकि देखो जितना आप वेट करते रहोगे उतना आप डिले करते जाओगे. You're going to spend hours and hours on looking for that perfect healthy recipe. You're going to spend hours and hours on maybe finding the best gym. You have even shopped for new clothes for your gym workouts, but you have not entered the gym. What is the point of doing all of that, but we are not reaching anywhere close to the goal? So even like for example in fitness, just start with 5 minutes at home. Just get up from your fucking bed and stretch. You do not have to go for a full-fledged 1 hour workout in the same day or go for those 10,000 steps and achieve everything in one day. Start slow, but just start today. If you're thinking that you're gonna sit hours and hours watching those motivational videos, trust me, that's not gonna help you. Yes, it will help you a little bit, but discipline beats motivation. You can do whatever you want. You could be working in a 9 to 5 and thinking that I want to start my own business, but you're going to sit there watching all those motivational videos in your office that how to start your business. My dear, that's not how it works. You have to get out of your comfort zone. For example, I wanted to focus on new kind of projects, new kind of work, which was actually more exciting, more creative. So I had to let go of at least like good amount of projects to start fresh. So I could have maybe watched, say, one podcast every day about how I'm going to start fresh. But if I'm not taking any action, do you think it's going to make any difference to my day? No, it's not going to. Take example for content creation. I procrastinated a lot. Trust me, मैं हर वीडियो सेव करती थी कि ये बनाऊंगी, ऐसा वीडियो बनाऊंगी, ये कपड़े पहन के बनाऊंगी. I used to complain, I used to crib, my followers are not increasing, my content is not doing good. But was I even creating content? No. I say I want to be a content creator, but was I even doing the basics of content creation? No, I was not. I could save 100 videos for that matter on Instagram. But if I'm not going to get up and make that piece of content, am I a content creator even? So that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you, that start with something small at least. So I had given myself a challenge. Actually, my husband gave me this challenge that for the next 60 days, you're going to make something, you're going to post something every day. And I did that. And mind you, I got into the habit of posting something. There was no strategy. There was no brainstorming on what is going to work for me, what piece of video is going to do good, which one is going to go viral. Nothing of that sort. I just got into the habit. I trained my mind to show up for myself every day and I created that piece of content. So before the day got over, I had that pressure. I forced myself कि कुछ तो डालना है मुझे आज Instagram पे, आज कुछ तो post करना ही है, even if it's a static picture or if it's a reel or a random aesthetic reel with the music. It could be anything. I showed up for myself, and that kind of tuned my brain to create content. And today I strategize, after so many years of content creation with lots of gaps, lots of breaks. Today I'm actually strategizing, okay, what's working out. I'm studying my insights, I'm studying my business page, I'm studying what is working for me, what kind of content actually resonates with my audience. That's when I utilized that habit, and today I'm making into something as good as a full-time business. So to wrap up this video, you need to get up right now and show up for yourself. Whatever those goals are, whatever you've written down in your diary or your journal or your vision board, go and achieve that. It could be something as small as waking up in the morning. It could be as small as just eating healthy. I know it's not a small thing. It looks easy, it's not, but you have to show up for yourself. So you could sit here, watch this video, you could watch another 10 videos like this and motivate yourself, but until you show up, like I said, discipline over motivation. So you could watch how many ever podcasts you want, sit for hours and hours and procrastinate. That's not gonna help you. So what's gonna help you is you get up right away. I want you to get up right now. So do that, go open that diary, open that journal and go tick mark that, okay, I woke up, I stood up, I showed up for myself today. So if you like such videos, please follow, keep subscribing to my channel, and please shower all the love that you've been giving for all my videos. See you in the next one.